In this video, I'll be unboxing and going over the OBSBOT Tiny 2, a USB 3.0 AI premium webcam. If you're interested in seeing more videos like this, make sure you subscribe and follow me on Twitter so you'll be notified once I upload a new video. And as always, links will be in the description. Alright, so let's unbox it and see what we got. There's a user manual. And there's a nice carrying case it comes in. It comes with a USB-C to USB-C cable. And here's the webcam itself. And here's an adapter for USB-C to USB 3.0. And this is the mount that you'd use to put on top of your laptop lid. So basically it just magnetically attaches. The USB-C port's on the back, and you can also attach it to a tripod from the bottom. There's a user manual for the control. And here's the control itself. It's a pretty nice looking control. The OBSBOT Tiny 2 is a portable and useful 4K AI webcam. What I really like about the Tiny 2 is that unlike other standard webcams, you can actually vocally communicate with it, and it can also track you around as you move. And just in case you want to manually control it, you can with the Tiny Smart Remote 2, which can be purchased on their website separately or part of their combo pack. When it comes to its physical size, it's just perfect. It's not overly big and heavy to be annoying to carry around, yet it's not extremely small and flimsy. You can place it on top of your laptop lid with this magnetic attachment arm accessory or base, or you can seat it on any flat surface. I personally think this would be great for students who have online classes, people who have online work calls and meetings, and especially for content creators and streamers who would definitely add style and quality to their recordings or live streams. The Tiny 2 is also compatible with Stream Deck, so that's definitely good news for streamers. It also has gesture control for times that you're in a quiet environment or don't want to speak. It has 4K with a much larger sensor than most webcams. Additional accessories are also available online, so make sure to check out their website. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.